back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be building a Discord bot using Python. So let's get started. But before getting started, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that like button, and let's get started now. So first of all, let's create a server. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on create my own for me and my friends, and just name it testing for YouTube. Okay, and create. So I have this new server ready. You can see there's nobody except me. You can see this. So now how do I create the bot? You can see there's no bot over here. Okay, there's no add bot option, right? So to add a bot in our server, to create a bot, first let's just go to the Discord developer portal. Okay, so you'll find this Discord developers portal. Okay, and then when you click it, you'll just go to the docs intro. Okay, so you actually don't need this. You can actually read this, but it's just a waste of time. Okay, so let's just not go into that, and let's just go click on applications. So when you click on applications, you'll find all your bots. Okay, if you're new to creating a bot, you might not find any, but I have already created some bots for testing, so I already have some bots. So now I'm not going to use any of these, so I'm going to be creating a new bot. For creating a new bot, I need to click on this new application. When I click on it, it's going to be asking me the name of the bot. So I'm just going to be putting the name as Coding Ninja. Okay, when I put this, you can see there's a new application form we have. Okay, so we don't have to go in starting over here. So we're going to be starting it with the bot tab. When you click on the bot tab, you're going to be finding this place where you can click on add bot, and I'm going to be clicking on that. When you click on it, it's going to be asking you add the bot to this app, and just click yes, do it. And when you click it, you're going to get this. Okay, so on this bot, now you'll find all of the necessary tools that you'll be using. You can see there's one token. We're going to be using it later part of the video. So let's not take that for now and go to the OAuth 2 section. In the OAuth 2 section, you can just scroll down. Over here in the scopes, you'll find this bot tab. So we're going to be creating a bot. So let's just click on bot. Let's just not click anything else. And you can see below you have the bot permissions. As you click on bot, these bot permissions come up. So you can see all of these permissions, but I'm not going to be clicking every single one. I'm just going to be clicking on admin so that I don't have to click on everything, because we're just going to be using this once, and then I'm going to be deleting the server as well as the bot. So let's just copy this URL and put it in a new tab. Okay, so now when we hit enter, you're gonna see this Coding Ninja connect to Discord. Okay, so now it's gonna be asking you in which server should we add this bot. So I'm gonna be putting this in testing for YouTube, and click on continue and click on authorize, and it's done. Accept the captcha, and then it's done. So you can see it's written authorized. You may close the window. So let's just close it and go back to our Discord. You can see everybody welcome Coding Ninja. You can see there's a bot, but he's not online, right? And he doesn't do anything at this moment. It doesn't have any logic, right? So for creating that logic, we're going to be using Python. For using Python, I'm going to be using Replit. You can use any software you want, or you can even download Python in your PC and use it that way. But I'm going to be using Replit for easier purposes. I'm going to be clicking on new REPL and Python as my language, and just name the REPL as bot for YouTube and create this REPL. Okay, when I create this REPL, it's going to be loading up all of these files for me. With files, I just mean main.py, and it's going to be loading it in. So over here, I'm just going to be typing import Discord and when I hit run, it's going to be installing all of these dependencies for me. So I'll hit run and let it continue. I've run into an error. I guess I've just made this mistake of C, and let's hit the run button again. So let it install all of these files. I'll meet you after it's done. Okay, so now that's done. Let's just clear up our console so that we don't have anything up. So now when we have imported and installed Discord on our Python, we can just write from this Discord, there's a from this discord.ext. So inside this Discord there's an ext file. From that ext, import all the commands. Okay, I'm going to be importing import commands. Okay, so there's this set of tools which are called commands in Discord. So I'm just going to be taking those from the discord.ext. So now let's just create a variable called bot. Okay, actually not bot, let's just write in client. Okay, client equals commands dot bot. Okay, so inside this commands there's a command called bot so we are triggering that. We're going to be telling that this inside this bot has to have this command prefix. Okay, so we have this command prefix, so you can see command prefix. Okay, which command it has. Okay, so let's just put any of our angle brackets this, or you can put a question mark or a slash like this or like this. So I'm going to be using a question mark for now. You can use anything like angle brackets or something like that. So after this we're going to be writing @client dot command actually dot event so that we can get it online. So what happens is this client should get online. So for making this client online, we need to add a function. Okay, function. In function we have an async function, async def. Okay, async def on ready. Okay, on ready. Okay, we're going to be firing up this thing called bot. We're going to be firing up this print. So it's going to be printing out in our console over here that this bot is online. Okay, so that's it. Okay, to make this online, that's it, to make it online, right? Just one more thing we need to do is that the token, the access token, we need over here. Click to reveal token. I'm going to be showing it to you, but you should not show it to anybody because this is a secret token and people can use it for doing anything to your bot. Okay, so I'm just going to be regenerating it after this is over, after this tutorial is over, so you cannot copy. Okay, I'm going to be copying this and writing this client dot run and put this over here. So you can see I've saved this, and let's just run this so that our bot goes online. So you can see it's written the bot is online. Let's just go back to our general and you can see now the bot is online. Before, if we just remove all of this, I just remove all of this and save this, just restart it again, and now let's see. It's actually not going to be doing anything. It's not even going to be go online, I guess, because it doesn't print out anything. You can see it's actually going online because of this client.run. Okay, so that it just says that it just makes this online. Okay, so that it can not go offline again without like closing it, right? So actually this is triggering that, right? So I'll just remove this one too, and let's just restart this. So when we remove this whole thing, you can see that the bot should go offline. Oh, I haven't run it. Okay, so you can see the bot should go offline now. It doesn't go offline, I guess, because of some reasons. I don't know. Let's just go and put this back here. Okay. Um, all right. So we have this, and let's just run it. It should work proper. No mistakes. No. Yeah, it's online and done. Okay, so now to remove to now whatever whenever somebody puts that question mark and says hello, then this a command should fire up that says hi or hey, how are you? So to do that, we're going to be using the same @client @client dot command. Okay, and this is going to have an async function, async def, which is on which is actually hello. Okay, so that it says hi. Okay, so the inside this hello, there's going to be a ctx. Okay, which is going to tell that whenever the ctx is there, then whenever the syntax is there, then just fire up this print, actually not print, then await, then just wait for wait, and then ctx dot send this hi or whatever it is, like hey or whatever. Okay, so let's just stop this and just run this again. So it should not run into any errors. Okay, done. So it's online, and I'll just type in, let's say, question mark hey, or oh, sorry, question mark hello, and it says hey, right? So if I just change, you can see there's command hey is not found. Okay, so let's just change this to like hey and just try it again. Okay, so it does not reply for hey. It says the hey command is not found. There's only hello command, right? So it runs into error when we change it to something else. This should be hello. Okay, and let's just write in hello, and it says hey. So you can see when we say question mark hello and we don't remove anything from here, it does not run into any errors. But when we say anything else, it runs into errors. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want another video like that for Discord bot which can play music, then please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll do it in the next video. Okay, so one more thing before ending this video, you can see our client token. It's public, right? Everybody can see this. If somebody's seeing a code, they can see this, right? So for not letting anybody see this, there's this environment variables that you can use. Okay, in the environment variables, you can just put a key. Let's just say token token. Okay, and the value should be sorry, value should be this, and add new secret. Okay, this token is done, so let's just save this and go down and import OS, import this token, and let's just close this, and now we have this token, right? So now what I can do is I can just take this, erase all of this my secret thing, and erase this, okay, and put this over here, and just stop this, clear our console, and run this again. And hopefully we should not run into any errors because it changed a bit. So it says the bot is online, and let's just type in hello, and it says hey. So there are no errors, and we have successfully removed it from the main file and put it in our .env file, sorry, environment variable. Okay, this token is our environment variable, one of our environment variables. You can add a lot of environment variables. There are many environment variables that you can add, like token, and another one I can add like this, and just add another thing and add new secret, like that. So you can add many tokens. You can see now we have this. So you can add many environment variables, but we're gonna be only using one. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and hitting that bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.